State College of Aeronautics. Avionics is a very rich and diverse field, ranging from radio communications, navigation, flight control, and engine control. It is very dynamic and practical field with a lot of exciting development being made. This course is designed to meet the requirements for an avionics, allowing students to learn and understand the basic concept of maintaining aircraft worthiness. Avionics in Philsca is fun and abundant in learnings. We get to practice practical fields in aviation electronics, and we can exercise and practice in testing, troubleshooting, and repairing avionic instruments. And this is only can be learned in Philippine State College of Aeronautics. And at the same time, being exposed in a friendly community. Here in Philsca-Mactan, you can have both fun and adventure at the same time. Having fun with your classmates while learning in your selected field, not to mention on how you can just learn by theories, but you can also learn by having their hands-on trainings. Who doesn't like to play sports? Because here in Philsca, we have our intercolors every year. Here in Philsca, we believe that you don't need to look at the books all the time, but you need to look at every reasons to have fun and loosen up the grip. Oh, why not choose Philsca? Tara na sa Philsca, dahil sa Philsca, aangat ka!